This video may save your life and the lives of everyone you know and love, so please take it seriously. Every few years, the sun explodes with massive flares which lead to electrical storms. They don't do much damage to humans, but they are devastating to electrical networks. We haven't noticed them throughout history because we haven't had electricity, but in 2012, a massive solar flare erupted. However, it happened on the side of the sun facing away from us, and we are lucky it did. If it had happened facing Earth, it could have knocked out the vast majority, maybe all the electrical networks on the planet. And with no electrics, there would have been no pumps, no engines, no phones, no TV or radio, no emergency or security services, no money, no delivery of food. There would have been widespread panic, famine, disease and massacres, as billions of confused, thirsty, starving people begin fighting for what few resources would have been left. I'll link a video about the 2012 flare in the video description. We could get a plan set up in a matter of weeks, which could protect us from a lot of the damage. However, in the last 13 years since the warning, NASA and other space agencies who know about this warning, some of who have bunkers and cities built underground, with supplies of food, water, fuel, weapons and vehicles, have not informed the public and have not set up any response plan. Instead, they are constantly brainwashing and distracting the public with lies, wars and pseudoscience. For anyone in doubt as to whether men really travelled to the moon in a tiny metal pod covered in gold-coloured tinfoil, if anyone still believes that 9/11 was not a massive military operation using Muslims as puppets, see my 1-hour video where I discuss the real science, the facts and circumstantial evidence, just how much pop science is lies and just how much we are being misled and brainwashed into a false sense of security is truly shocking. Self-powering batteries where you need no electric supply, no fuel, no bills have been invented in Zimbabwe, but they're still not being reported in the world's media, many of whom are controlled by the same people who control natural resources. The theory of everything, which fixes Einstein's mistakes and unifies all physics, reveals multiple new technologies, including technology to multiply matter, leading to unlimited resources. It has been solved, but it's repeatedly censored, blocked and sabotaged. We can get organised and prepared for such a solar flare, but in order to do so, we have to break through the lies and mind control. So I'm asking you to share the information with everyone you love. We all have a tendency to think it won't happen to me, or things won't be that bad, or I'll do it later. The reality is, nature has given us the warning. An apocalypse can happen again any day. Let's hope it doesn't happen for a while. Let's hope for the best, prepare for the worst. And let's hope that it reaches enough people before the people in power and artificial intelligence shut it down.